Panasonic bread makers are perfect for gluten-free cooking. There are 4 automated programs on both of these models that allow you to do gluten-free bread making, cake making, pizza dough, or pasta dough. This is perfect for people who suffer from gluten intolerance or just people who want to eat less gluten. Now, I've been making some gluten-free bread in my Panasonic bread makers, and I gotta say, I am so impressed with the results. I do have 3 top tips for you. Instead of yeast, use replacements like xanthan gum or psyllium husk. I like to add seeds, nuts and grains to my gluten-free loaves to give extra flavour and texture. And by using your Panasonic bread maker, you eliminate all the unknowns, allowing you to cook your gluten-free bread perfectly. If you would like my ultimate gluten-free bread loaf recipe, head to the Panasonic website. This is it here, very impressive. That really is good.